So we're back for more addition. These are the strategies we've been working on so far. Use a picture, use counters, use fingers. Today we're going to add another one to our list here. This one is called use a double. I'm going to read that here. Use a double. Okay, now the doubles are when you add the same number together twice. And you can see I've written a whole bunch of doubles on our board here. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 5 plus 5, 6 plus 6, 7 plus 7, 8 plus 8. And those are things that we want to get really good at remembering. So you're going to today make a paper like that looks like this. You have a paper that's like this. But you're going to write these equations on, starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're going to write the doubles. So you'll make it look just like I have there. And then you're going to solve these. You can use your fingers, you can use counters, you can use a picture. We talked about counting on in the last video. You could give that a try. And I want you to fill in the answers. Okay? And then we're going to keep this and we're going to try to start remembering these doubles. Okay? So when someone says to you, oh, 4 plus 4, it'll be something that you kind of just remember, like, oh yeah, 4 plus 4 equals 8. Or if someone says 3 plus 3, and you'll just remember those. So the doubles are ones that you just want to get really familiar with and memorize them. That means to be able to remember them so that when you see them as a problem for you, you don't have to solve it. You just know it in your head, like one of those ones you just know. Okay, so today we're going to actually work on writing them out. So we'll have this paper. Now, if 1 to 8 feels just perfect for you, great, do 1 to 8. If 1 to 8 feels a little bit easy for you, I'm going to show you what you're going to do. If you know 1 plus 1 equals 2, skip that one. If you know 2 plus 2 equals 4, then you don't need to do that one. So for you, you're going to start with one that you don't know yet. So say I know 3 plus 3 is 6, but I don't know 4 plus 4. Then I'm going to start on here with 4 plus 4. Okay? And I'll solve 4 plus 4. Then go to the next double, the double of 5. That's 5 plus 5, and solve that one. Okay, then you're just going to keep going until you fill in all these squares. So I would do 6 plus 6, 7 plus 7, 8 plus 8, 9 plus 9. Ooh, I'm getting up to big ones. I would definitely have to use cubes for these or a picture. 10 plus 10 and 11 plus 11. Okay? So I want you to work on ones that you don't already know. If 1 through 8 feels just right, go ahead and work with those. If you're like, I know 1 plus 1, I know 2 plus 2, I know 3 plus 3, and I don't know 4 plus 4, start with that one. Start wherever you have your first one that you just don't know the answer in a snap, okay? If you have to stop to figure it out, then that's the one I want you to start with. Okay, so go ahead. You're going to use this paper, write out the equation, and solve them. And then we're going to hold on to this paper, and this will help us as we try and memorize these. So you can look at these and try and memorize them. Like, oh yeah, what's 3 plus 3? Ah, I got that. What's 4 plus 4? Okay, so try and remember them. Okay, so go ahead and work on your doubles.